This is Form Card, a handy pocket-sized card of meltable bioplastic that you can use to make, fix and modify the world around you. You can mould it quickly and simply to make little solutions to everyday problems. When it's cool, it's really strong like nylon, so you can make solid, durable solutions with it. And then you can reheat it again and again to adapt, change and reuse it. Because it's a handy card size, you can keep one in your pocket, wallet, kitchen drawer or toolbox so that it's there whenever and wherever it's needed. And because you know it melts in a cup of hot water, that might be in a cafe to fix a broken umbrella, or around a campfire to fix a broken tent pole. It's strong enough for quick solutions to emergency situations, like when you've forgotten a tool for a job or a handle breaks on something. Plastic has got a bit of a bad name. It's associated with a cheap, disposable world in which things break easily and then end up in the bin. Form card is the opposite of that world. When it's very hot, it sticks to other plastics, so you can actually use it to instantly fix things, say a plastic shovel when you're on holiday. There are loads of amazing applications, and we'll be posting more examples online as the project develops.
Brizzy is an app-operated dual fan filter that cleans the air in a baby's or child's breathing area. It's an autonomous device that is activated when high pollution levels are detected by the sensors attached. The urban environment exposes us to a large variety of pollutants. Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, particles of metal, rubber and dust are all present in the air we breathe every day. Children are particularly vulnerable. Their lungs and immune system are not fully developed during their first few years of life, putting them at greater risk when exposed to air pollution. 30 to 60 centimetres above ground is where the heaviest, most dangerous particles are concentrated. Brizzy is designed to stay with you and your child throughout the day. It delivers 1.5 litres of filtered air every 10 seconds to babies' or toddlers' breathing area through its patented innovative filter. This unique and high-quality filter is a multi-layered, medical-grade nanometric woven fabric. The woven layer removes particulates and the carbon layer removes harmful gases, reducing both particles and chemicals being inhaled.
Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, it can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay. Yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
This is Tado, a little device that makes your AC unit smart. At 7 in the morning, Tado sets the AC unit to the right temperature. This is Lizzie and Harold. Harold is known for reading a little too much and forgetting things a little too often. Lizzie, on the other hand, likes things at 90-degree angles and taking care of Harold. Thanks to Tado, Harold doesn't have to remember to turn off the AC when he leaves. Tado does it for him. While he is out at the market, the AC is off, so they aren't wasting any energy. When Harold is approaching home, Tado reassures him that his home is pre-cooling to his preferred temperature setting. Tado is multilingual. It can speak with any remote-controlled AC unit. After a long, hot day, Harold is thrilled to get home to his pre-cooled apartment. Wouldn't you be?